California Health Code. Find this week's vendor lineup at downtownslow.com and follow them on Instagram and Facebook at Downtown Slow Farmers Market. Downtown Slow Farmers Market, Thursday nights, 6 to 9 on Higuera Street.
It's back, a Central Coast favorite. Slow Coast Wine's premier wine event, Harvest on the Coast, returns to Avila Beach. Veterans Day weekend, November 11th and 12th. This two-day event pairs our award-winning wine with the Central Coast top chefs and musicians. It all kicks off on Friday with Sip and Savor by the Sea at the Central Coast Aquarium in Avila Beach. Sip cool coastal wines as you savor delectable gourmet delights to a soundtrack curated by Dan and Gary from Moonshiner Collective. Then Saturday we head oceanside to the Avila Beach Resort for the grand tasting event featuring wines grown right.
This is a required monthly test of the San Luis Obispo County Emergency Operations Center. This concludes the required monthly test. Obispo County Emergency Alert System. This is only a test. This test is coming from the San Luis Obispo County Emergency Operations Center. This concludes the required monthly test.